credit card company Visa launched its Tap to confirm and Tap to activate technology for issuing banks. Launched in collaboration with fintech partner Keno and Fidelity Bank Bahamas Limited, this innovation shifts how consumers prove who they are to their financial institutions, turning the physical Visa card into a trusted identity credential that works with a simple tap inside the banking app they already use. The solution integrates Visa's real-time card data authentication directly through VisaNet, the world's most advanced payment processing network, handling over 150 billion transactions annually. For the trading period of May 13, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Grace Kennedy Limited shares with 5,271,617 units, representing 17.9% of market sales activities. Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 4,944,470 units, representing 16.78% of market sales activities. JMMB Group Limited at 9.5% preference shares with 3,713,398 units, representing 12.61% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in auto, finance, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for May 13, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $157.09 and buying at $159.24. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $3.99 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $113.58 and was bought for $117.57. For the British pound, continued volatility offers short-term trading opportunities of $5.70 in profits for the bank. The British pound sold for $210.79 and was bought for $216.49. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, let's look at why career planning without lifestyle planning creates imbalance. Many professionals spend decades building careers while postponing experiences, rest, exploration, and mobility. Then later, their energy change, their responsibility increase, or their health shifts. A more balanced approach is to build both. Build your earning power and your lifestyle flexibility. And your credit report sits quietly in the middle of both systems. Instead of asking, how do I afford to travel? Ask, what financial habits today create mobility later? These questions then change how you use your credit, how you structure debt, how you manage cash flow, and how intentionally you build your life. Because sometimes the real value of a strong credit report is not the loan, it's the ability to say yes to opportunities, experiences, and movement when life opens the door. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.